This is Python's Focus Support Supplement. This is specifically for your brain, your vision, and your memory. Everything up here. And it's got a whole bunch of really good supplements for that. So different kind of mushrooms, lion's mane, reishi, different kind of supplements, D3, K2, B6, zinc. What I really love about this is that it's vegan, it's clean, non-GMO. Obviously, when you use any kind of supplements put in your body, to me it's super, super important that, of course, it is clean. 60 tablets, and you do take 2 a day, so this would be a 30-day bottle. So these are actually gummies. They look like little bears. And it does have 0 grams of sugar, so which means these are not gummies that have added sugar in it. So yes, to me they taste really, really good, almost like a sweetened green tea, I would say. Tasting and good for me. I highly recommend those. Thank you to Python for sending this to me for my review.